Our subject is English for grade 1. We are now in quarter 3, week 8 of our lesson. And our lesson for today is about polite expressions. Politeness is one of the characteristics that you should have. There are also lots of ways on how one can show politeness. Saying po and opo is one of these ways. Also, you can show politeness using appropriate words or expressions in different events. Kayo kids, polite ba kayo ng mga bata? Maghalang din ba kayo? At the end of the lesson, you are expected to use, respond appropriately to polite expressions in greetings, leave-takings, expressing gratitude and apology, asking permission, and offering help. Let us listen to these kids. Good afternoon, Mark. Good afternoon, Wena. This box is for you. Happy birthday! Thank you very much. You are so thoughtful. You are welcome. Oh, it's Mark's birthday, and Wena gave him a gift. And then, after receiving the gift, Mark said, "Thank you very much." And Wena replied, "You are welcome." For learning task 1, match the expressions in column A with their appropriate responses in column B. Write the letters of your answers in your notebook. For number 1, good morning. What is the appropriate response for the expression good morning? Is it A, yes, please open it? B, you're welcome. C, good morning. D, yes, you may. If your answer is good morning, letter C, you got it right. Number 2, may I go out? What is the appropriate response for this? A, yes, please open it. B, you're welcome. C, good morning. D, yes, you may. If your answer is letter D, yes, you may, correct. Number 3, thank you for helping me. What is the appropriate response for this? Is it A, please open it? B, you're welcome. C, good morning. D, yes, you may. If your answer is letter B, you're welcome. You are right. Number 4, would you like me to open this for you? What is the appropriate response for this? Is it A, yes, please open it? B, you're welcome. C, good morning. D, yes, you may. If your answer is letter A, correct. Did you get 4 points? Congratulations for a job well done. Greetings. It is important that you learn how to use polite expressions in greeting others. Example, good morning, how are you doing? Good morning, I am great. How about you? I'm fine, thank you. For leave-takings, in leaving, there are also appropriate expressions that you have to use. Examples, goodbye, Dina. Goodbye, Warren. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow and take care. Take care too. What about expressing gratitude? Expressing gratitude means being thankful for the help received from others. It is also used when one is thankful for receiving items or things from someone. Example, thank you for this gift. You are welcome. Here are more examples of expressing gratitude. When someone gives you something, you should say thank you. And as a response, you should say you're welcome. Expressing apology means being sorry for something that you have done. You also say it when you fail to do something that you are expected to do. Example, I am very sorry, Teacher Mary. I forgot to bring my assignment notebook. It is okay, Pearl. Be sure to bring and submit it tomorrow. Because you forgot to do something, you should ask for apology. I am sorry, I lost the pencil that I borrowed from you. I will just buy a new one for you. It is okay, Gio. I understand. Here are other examples of expressing apology. I'm sorry. Yeah. When you hurt someone, you should say, I'm sorry. Asking permission. There are appropriate expressions that you may use in asking permission. Asking permission is expressed by using can and may. Can is used to express one's ability, while may is used to express permission in doing something. Can you bring this inside? Yes, I can. Teacher, may I go out? Yes, you may. Offering help. Helping others is an attitude that you must learn. You may use appropriate polite expressions in helping other people. Can I help you cross the street? Can I help you, grandmother? May I help you, grandfather? May I help you cross the street, grandmother? May I help you? For learning task 2, identify the polite response to each situation. In your notebook, write the letter of the correct answer for each item. For number 1, Rex said, Good evening, Laika. Are you okay? What should be the response of Laika? Is it A, Good morning, Rex. Yes, I am fine. Thank you. Or letter B, Good evening, Rex. Yes, I am fine. Thank you. What is your answer? If your answer is letter B, correct. For number 2, Carmen said, I am sorry, I forgot to bring your book. What should be Elsa's response? Is it A, It is okay, just bring it tomorrow? Or B, Goodbye, see you tomorrow? What is your answer? If your answer is letter A, it is okay, just bring it tomorrow. Correct. Number 3, Belle said, Anna, thank you for helping me with my assignment. What must be the response of Anna? Is it A, It is really difficult, Belle? Or B, You are welcome, Belle? What is your answer? If your answer is letter B, correct. Number 4, Jan said, Should I prepare the food for dinner? What will be the response of Carlo? Is it A, Yes, please, thank you? Or B, I cannot help you? What is your answer? If your answer is letter A, yes, please, thank you. Correct. Number 5, Susan said, Grace, may I tell you something? What should be the response of Grace? Is it A, Yes, you may? What is it? Or B, I know that already? What is your answer? If your answer is letter A, yes, you may? Correct. Okay, in your notebook, provide the appropriate polite response to the situation below. You borrowed the toy of your best friend. While playing, you accidentally broke it. What would you tell him or her? Hi, how are you? Hello, I am fine, thank you. By the way, I have to tell you something. Oh, what is it? what you should say. It's okay, don't worry, I understand. Thank you for listening. I hope that you enjoyed learning with Teacher Arlene.
For more educational videos, please do like, share, and subscribe to Teacher Arlene's YouTube channel!